Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly fix battery draining on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, open Settings on your device, and after that, navigate down to the Battery menu. In Battery menu, the first thing that we should definitely do is switch from Balanced or Performance mode to Battery Saver mode, which will save us in my case, it's 6 more working hours, which is a lot. And then what we can also do and should also do is go to Battery Checkup, where we'll see the next steps that we can take in order to help the device prevent battery draining. So first of all, if you by default, as you can see, the phone itself identifies the apps that consume too much battery power, and we can simply press add 4 minutes, in my case 4 minutes, in order to disable these apps and save us some battery time or some work time. And then we can also see the suggestions and disable, for example, location services and lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity. And as you can see, all of this will save us some battery time and will reduce battery draining effects. So that's basically how easily and quickly you can fix the battery drain issue on your device. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.